Hey, what's up YouTube? So these are the new fog lights. Can't really see it like this. I hope you can see. I can see it in my glasses. I'm gonna try to make this as short as possible. So the installation wasn't exactly perfect. I had to make some cuts on the side to make it fit nice. So now it fits. Fits much better. If you are interested in doing this, you gotta do all this work. Take the wheel off, take this, whatever it's called, this panels off inside. I'm gonna run the wire, which this is the wire harness that I got. The one that originally came with, it didn't have the relay, it didn't have the fuse holder, it didn't have the switch, so I had to buy another one. So now I'm gonna run the wire. You have to remove the bottom cover, run the wire from there, here, and then run all the way through here. I'm probably gonna use this hole to run inside the car and make the connection over there. Show you guys when I'm done. Okay, quick update. Let me see if you guys can see it. Connection here. Hope you can see. I can see. So I run the wire harness down here to this side, run all the way up there. There's a ground over here. Let me get up. It's gonna be a little shaky. I had to cut the wire here to be able to run to that hole, and then I'm going to connect it on the other side, and that's it. I mean, not exactly. I still have to do ground and positive for this, and that's it. Finally, they're installed and on. Gave me a little bit of a headache to install it, like not to install it, to run the wires. I ordered a second wire harness, but that didn't work, so I had to use the one that came with. And you see how the car is running, right? If I turn it off, it'll go off too. Let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the car off. So there's no issue in like leaving it on, forgetting to turn it on, to turn it off. All I did was a little, don't mind my mess because it was like a nightmare. Always there was a little switch. Even if I leave it on, when I turn the car off, it'll go off. So all I gotta do is put it back. I want to see how it's gonna look at night later, and I'll give you guys an update. So I don't remember exactly where I left off from the last part, but it's finally done. Installed it. It's working. I had to use the wire harness that came with, but I had to play a lot with it. So what I did was a switch over here, an on-off switch. So when the car is on, it works. If I shut the car off, it'll go off. At night, looks nice. Just a quick update. And then also back here, I decided to paint this. Came out almost perfect. From afar off you can see, you don't see the difference, but when you get close I might have to redo it. The only thing is when I was like sanding this down, I sand this down too much. I almost made a hole over here. Oh well, I might just buy a new one and do it over. But that's it for now. I don't have a lot much. Car is dirty, I gotta clean it. But I do like this. No headlights, just the fog lights. Man, I wanna switch like this. I'm gonna order another one and then I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna take this one out. Let me know what you guys think.